Fanciful, non-dictionary and meaningless brand names have better chances of protecting their brand name exclusivity from infringement. For example, in 2022, the fanciful business names OANDA, SODEXO, ONEY, Instagram, IKEA, VIVENDI, CANVA, IQOS, Viaplay and SERCO successfully protected the rights of their brand names. OANDA, through legal course, restricted others from using their fanciful name in domain names such as OANDA N6, OANDA N8.com were transferred back to OANDA in 2022. SODEXO is another fanciful brand name. The ownership of illegally registered SODEXO.ca.com, SODEXOEU.com, SODEXOjob.net and others were transferred to the original brand SODEXO. Similarly, as ONEY is also a fanciful and distinctive brand name, and ONEY.finance was being used in bad faith, so it was transferred back to ONEY. According to WIPO judges, Instagram trademark is a fanciful name with no meaning. So in January 2022, Instagram account verification page was ordered to transfer back to Instagram. IKEA is also a strong, fanciful and unique brand name. In 2022, IKEA restricted other party to use IKEA.ge domain name. As per judges panel, IKEA is a fanciful and most well-known trademark. Similarly, in 2022, the domain name VIVENDISexsettlement.com was registered in bad faith, and so it was transferred to VIVENDI, which is a fanciful and distinctive brand name. CANVA is a fancifully coined business name of an Australian graphic design company. In 2022, it successfully protected its unique fancy name, and the infringers had to return or transfer the unlawfully registered domains of canva5.com, hellocanva.com, hoccanva.com. IQOS, another fanciful brand name, won back the unlawfully registered domain name of WeSellIQOS.com in March 22. In May 2022, Zichao Yang from China had to transfer SERCOcarrier.com and SERCOpayslip.com to SERCO, which is a fanciful and inherently distinctive business name. Therefore, we can conclude that we should coin a fanciful brand name for our business venture so that we can better protect it from possible infringement attempts in future. You can learn more about choosing a right business name in next videos by Dozro. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. Thank you so much for your time.